Pittsburgh is a city forged by its three rivers. The Monongahela River has been integral in shaping the identity of this town. In the early 1900s, Homestead Steelworks and its hearth, the Carrie furnaces, roared with life and transformed iron ore into the steel that would build skyscrapers, bridges, and railroads across America. In today's journey, we explore the industrial past of the Homestead and Sharpsburg regions of Pittsburgh from the unique perspective of its waterways. The waters of the Monongahela were once heavily polluted with industrial runoff and choked with slag from the steel industry. Today, the story is different. Extensive reclamation projects and cleanup efforts have breathed new life into these waters. We're starting our journey from the Ducks Hollow boat launch near the 9-mile run. The 9-mile run, which opens up into the Monongahela River, was the largest urban stream restoration project in the nation. Thanks to the cleanup efforts, the area is now a popular fishing and bird watching spot. On a warm summer day such as today, the river is usually packed with boats, and with large boats comes large wakes. They can swamp your kayak if you're not careful. Always keep an eye out for fast-moving boat traffic and make sure that you face the wave head-on. Despite some of the trouble that comes with sharing the waterways with large watercrafts, a kayak can help you find bliss in these waters if you keep your eyes and ears open. In the distance, we can see Pinkerton's Landing Bridge, a site whose name commemorates a significant and bloody chapter in U.S. labor history, the Homestead Strike of 1892. The bridge stands a silent witness to the fierce battle between striking steelworkers of the Homestead Steelworks and the Pinkerton Detective Agency, a private army hired by Henry Clay Frick and Andrew Carnegie. As the Pinkerton agents attempted to land via barges at this very spot, they were met with fierce resistance from the striking workers. The ensuing battle resulted in multiple deaths and numerous injuries on both sides. It marked a pivotal moment in the American labor movement. Today, Pinkerton's Landing Bridge and the surrounding area are part of the Rivers of Steel National Heritage Area, dedicated to preserving the region's industrial heritage. The bridge itself is a testament to the resilience and determination of the workers who fought for their rights, and it serves as a reminder of the complex relationship between industry and labor in this region. I began this journey with a simple goal: capture some stunning footage of the Carrie furnaces and delve into their history. What I discovered was a deeper narrative, one filled with innovation, greed, and the violence of the men who transformed Pittsburgh into an industrial powerhouse in the early 1900s. After the downfall of Homestead Steelworks in the 1980s, the only remnants of this era are the ruins of old factories. We just paddled past the furnaces, but they aren't very visible from the river's right. It's around 6 p.m. and the sun is bright and shining directly on them, making it difficult to get good video footage. But with challenges comes opportunity. I believe the furnaces will look even more spectacular at sunset. I think I'll capture them on the paddle back. For now, we'll continue paddling upriver and explore the industrial ruins that nature has reclaimed. Ahead of us lies an important but overlooked feature of Pittsburgh's rivers, the lock and dam system. This in particular is lock and dam number 2 of the Monongahela River. The dams are crucial for maintaining the river at navigable water levels year-round, and the locks enable both commercial and recreational vehicles to pass safely through the dam. In the sped-up footage, we can see how the gates of the lock closes to allow a boat to move upriver. Once inside the lock chamber, it fills with water and raises the level of the boat up to the level of the water upriver of the dam. The gates then open on the other side and allow the boat to pass through the dam safely. The lock and dam system transformed the Monongahela River into a reliable waterway, significantly boosting Pittsburgh's industrial growth. By enabling year-round barge traffic, it facilitated the transportation of raw materials and finished goods, crucial for the iron and steel industries that define the city. Barges loaded with coal and steel and other commodities would move seamlessly through the locks, feeding the massive industrial complexes like Carrie furnace and the Homestead Steelworks. For today, this is as far as we'll go upriver. I've paddled about 4 miles at this point and wanted to take a quick break and relax on the shore nearby. While I was taking a break on this island, a barge entered the lock system. Come, let's take a closer look. On the paddle back, the sun was starting to dip low, casting a warm amber glow over the scenery before me. The first half of this journey was upriver and it had worn me down. But now it was time to bask in the sunlight and take in the beauty of the sunset. Although I could not see it yet, I knew in my heart that the warm sunlight would bathe the Carrie furnaces in a stunning crimson hue, casting them in a fiery glow that perfectly captures the essence of Pittsburgh's industrial heritage. Having captured the scenes I wanted, I felt a sense of accomplishment. Documenting my kayaking trips has been a truly fulfilling experience, and I'm already thinking of the next journey. But for now, I need to paddle back quickly against strong headwinds before it gets too dark. I'll savor the sights and sound of this region one last time today, reflecting on the rich history that makes Pittsburgh a beautiful waterway.